Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the First Descendant game into your PC. So the process was very simple and this game was completely free. So first you need to open up any browser and here in the search box just type the First Descendant. After that now you can hit the enter and you will see the first website like the First Descendant on Steam. You have to just look for the Steam website and just open that. So once you open the Steam website, here you need to just click on the login option you are seeing on the top. So once you click on that, here if you have the account then you can simply sign in, and if you don't have an account then you can just scroll down and you will see the option to create an account. So you can just simply click on the create an account and here you need to just simply give your email address and again give your email address and check these boxes, and after that now you can click on the continue. So after you create an account, just click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top, and then here you need to just click on the install Steam for Windows. So after that now the Steam setup was start downloading into your PC, and this is very small, so you can just click on that to open the Steam setup where you can install it. So now here you need to just click on the next option, and here you need to just select your language and click on the next, and here you need to just select the folder where you want to install the Steam setup and then simply click on the install. So I have already installed it, so I can just simply opening it, and here you need to just log in to your Steam, and after that now you can click on the search box and just type in the First Descendant. After that now you can just hit the enter and you will see the first game, the First Descendant. So you can just click on that to open this game. So after this game was open into your Steam store, just scroll down and you will see the add to library option. So you need to just simply click on that, and here you will see the message the First Descendant has the added to your Steam library. Just go to the library option and click on the home option you are seeing on the first. So after you click on that, here you need to just click on the First Descendant game you are seeing on the left hand side. So when you click on that, here you are seeing the option to install. Just click on the install option, and here you need to select your drive where you want to install. So just simply click on the drive, and you need to also check these boxes and then click on the install, and then you have to just simply click on the accept to accept this agreement, and then it will start downloading and installing into your PC. So guys, this is how you can download and install the First Descendant game into your PC or laptop. So if this video is helpful for you, so please like it, also do subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments and I will try my best to assist you. Have a good day.